So this is this is how it is. If you have a Citroen C6 and you have automatic gearbox and not able to engage the park lock, you have to dismantle everything here. But the good news is that you don't really have to change this whole thing. Just have to change this little thing with the park lock relay. It's located just inside here. This is the one that I took out from my car. This is a replacement part I bought from Lithuania, from a donor car. They sent me the whole box, and I could technically just change the whole thing, but it would require me to get under the car, dismantle and move the engine between the engine and the gearbox and exhaust and everything. It would probably take me a week with me just having this setup. I don't have a car lift, so I'm not able to get underneath. And in Norway, if I would do this at the garage, it would probably cost me about 5,000 euros. So this is me fixing it myself. This is now the moment of truth. I'm gonna connect the new one to the connectors here for the gearbox and see if it works, trying to put it in, to turn the engine on and try to disengage the park lock. So here it goes. Okay, so I connected it to the connection, which is usually located in here. There's a switch card here, and let's pretend the car is in park. I don't know if that helps in any way. Oh yeah, here we go. Works like a charm. So now it's engaging or disengaging, whatever you call it. Just for fun, I'm going to try and connect my original part. Let's see. That's dead. I'm braking. It should engage, which it doesn't. So that's good news for me. It saved me about 5,000 euros. The parts cost about 80 bucks from Lithuania. Well, and I have some more work to do to get this through MOT.